What's up, guys? How has the day been? I was checking out trade right now, looking at gold at the moment. Rest of the market's been pretty flat. I don't even know if I'll get any trades out of today or tonight anyway. Just kind of scoping it out. Looks like gold on 1 minute's kind of been dropping down here. It is under the 20 and the 200 and the 50. So it looks like we do have a resistance line coming up here. It is pulling back right now, though. Hey, TK to Money, what's going on, man? How's your trades today? Yeah, we've got a reversal, looks like, on gold right now. Looks like it is pulling up. If you're brand new to my TikTok, I'm trading crypto stocks, forex, and indices. I trade on TradeXN, and I use range bars here up top. If you're wondering what these are, these move off points, not time. These have crypto stocks, forex, and indices as well. So there's always something to trade 24/7. Each one of these bars is worth 15 points. When I make trades, it's usually 50 to 100 points. What you're looking for when using these range bars as part of your trading strategy is you're looking for these to go from green to red or red to green. You're just looking for the reversal, and then you want to ride these down. I do pair that with the PSAR indicator that's here on TradeXN. These just follow the direction of the market. So you want to pair this with the range bars so you're going the same direction. You're going with the flow of the river. That's really what you're looking for. And then part of my strategy as well is I mix in EMAs. I use the 20, the 200, and the 50 as well to help with that. And so we're watching here on gold on the 1 minute chart. Seeing if this is going to cross over the break the 20 EMA, or if it's going to push back down, which is what it looks like it's going to continue doing here. 20 is heading down, the 200 is heading down, 50 is heading down, PSAR is heading down, and the range bars as well. I'm going to jump into a quick little short trade here. Maybe not. I'll hold off. It just decided to go the other way, so I'm glad I waited a second. Crypto Hoarder, what's going on? DJ Steve Mac, how's it happening, man? Zug, thanks for following. Do appreciate that for sure. And so I am on the 1 minute chart right now on gold. We're seeing if this is going to continue its trend down or not. Yeah, I'm waiting for a confirmation. So we have been downtrending for a little bit now. It did bounce off the 200 earlier and is heading down, but we need some more movement here. Let me turn this down. It's a little loud. Wow, that was way too loud. I was yelling over my computer. How's everybody else's night going? Wally No Cap, what's going on? Boss Hog, One Candy, that's a name. What is going on, you guys? Again, welcome to my live. I'm watching for a trade on gold right now, see if we can get a short out of this. USJPY, that looks like a potential buyer as well. US 30 is flat. Bitcoin is flat. So we got gold and USJPY right now. Platform is TradeXN. The link is in my bio for it. These have crypto stocks, forex, and indices. The leverage goes from 1 to 1 all the way up to 1 to 500, so you can move it. And this is a offshore broker, so there is no PDT rule either. So you can trade as much as you want. So that's another huge benefit of it, is why I use it. And then if you end up using this too, if you use my link, it does benefit me. And then if you start using TradeXN, you'll have a link as well, and so then you can use it as well. Yeah, KYC. What did I say? Oh, PDT rule. Oh, KYC. No KYC either. It's just name and email, and you can sign up to use it. And then you move money over onto it by using Crypto.com or Coinbase.com. And I use USDC in order to move it. That is the cheapest way. I'm in the U.S. Yeah, so I use it here. It's an offshore broker, but I do use it here in the U.S. You can send money over from Coinbase. I send it over from Crypto.com. I found it's the easiest and it's the cheapest. And I use USDC ERC20 to send my money over. All right, let's go. So that ended up going up. So I bought into a long position here on gold. 1 minute time frame. So we are just about in profit here. We will see if this does continue up or not. Come on, Dad needs a new pair of shoes. Let's go. There's a little pullback. We get bottoming tail bar. There we go. There we go. Go on up. Thank you. Oops, I went too far. Come on. All right. So now I'm in profit. Even if this thing drops back down, my account is protected. Hopefully we'll get a little bit more movement here. I should have put in a bigger buy, but it's okay. So I just do like a trailing stop loss. It just knocked me out. It's okay though. As I just did make See, now I was in profit. That just showed I didn't. That's a BS. Well, I think I had my trailing stop loss a little bit too close. That's okay though. Paperboy, what's going on? Sexy Shadow, welcome to my live. If you guys can, please hit that like button. It does help my algorithm out a lot. If you can try and get that up to 1,000, that would be great. Yeah, I had that stop loss a little too close. See, I got knocked out of that trade. What a bummer. Yeah, that could have been a decent. If I would have had more money on that one, for sure. Damn. Yeah, look at that go. That's yeah, that would have been a decent trade for sure. And I totally screwed that up. No fees. No fees, low spread, and no commissions. Yeah, there's no fee for that trade I just did. You just pay. Ain't the money that comes that pays for the website is the spread. That's how you end up taking care of that. Yeah, there's no fees for a regular account. There's no fees, low spreads, no commissions. So we were just in a trade there on gold. But just knocked me out, not a big deal. I always put a stop loss in place. Sometimes I do a trailing stop loss just in case. I always use 1 and 2% of my account too when I trade. Always want to protect it. I use TradeXN to trade. That's the name of the broker that I use. All that is in the link in my bio, so you can check it out there. It has crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. That's why I trade it. And again, it has no fees and low spreads. It is in the link in my bio. And then up here, part of my trading strategy is I use these range bars here as well. These are free to use. They don't cost anything. And these move off points, not like on time like the rest of the market does. And these have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices as well. So there's always something that you can trade 24/7. Again, they're free to use. You can get them in the link in my bio. And I do have a bunch of training videos on how to use them in my Discord as well. Those are also in the link in my bio. If you can't get into the, like in the bio, if it's a blank screen, just click the 3 dots in the top right corner. And that will open in browser, and then you'll be able to see all the links there. There's something going on with TikTok right now. To where some of the links aren't working. What do you mean, what account? ED4U21. It looks like gold is going back up here on the 1 minute. It's actually knocked myself out of a trade. I got a little too close. The 20 and 200 are just getting ready to cross. That's called a golden cross. It's always a good time to jump into the market here. But I'm going to wait for a little bit of a pullback here. As the range bars are showing just that pullback and then this continuation here, but we'll see what it ends up doing here. Hey, Seaburn, thanks for following. Do appreciate that. J-Dog, what's going on, man? Let's see. Yeah, looks like we got nothing but, pretty much nothing but room to run here. So that's a higher high. There's a higher high. A higher low. And that one we just passed, so. Hey, Nine Assassins, what's going on, man? Man, I really screwed up not jumping, missing. Ugh. Sometimes you really gotta stay back on that stop loss. I definitely missed a good little run here because I got too close on that trade. Yeah. Let's see. How's this on the 5 minute? Maybe I can still. Yeah, we still got room there. PSARs are just there. The gold is just showing up. I'm gonna jump back into this. You're right. It does happen. Yeah, I had it too tight. I was trying to accept the invite to your future Discord, but it won't let me. Yeah. Alright, give me, damn. Give me 1 sec. I don't know what is going on with this thing. Yeah, 1 sec. Let me get into my link tree here. I'll update the settings. because it should be right. Yeah. Yeah, the links are right. Yeah, it let me right to it. So try the link in my bio again, see if that will work for you now. Jump in on the 5. Yeah, that's what I was doing. I thought I jumped in on that. Yeah, alright. I'm in on that now. I thought I jumped in on it a minute ago. It's just getting ready to, it's moving up, so it should be a good trade. Hey, JPK, try it again, okay? These things won't work at night for indices and S&P live. Well, the market has to be open, right? So indices are open right now, and US 100 and stuff, those are all open. Just the regular stock market's closed, so no, they're moving right now. Gold to 24. Yeah, you think so? Am I happy with the markets tonight? I just jumped on, man. I'm not. Crypto is going sideways. Yeah, it was trying to join Zoom today and got kicked out. Discord isn't the link in my bio. Consolidation, yeah. I don't do futures. US is closed for, yeah, the US is closed for the stock market. But like US 100, US 30, that's all moving right now. I can see it. It's clearly moving. Which Discord should you join? You should join my Discord. It's in the link in my bio. FCT Discord. No, crypto's open, gold's open, US 30, US 100 is all open right now. USD, JPY, those are all open. I think this is gonna turn on me. I do need to set my stop loss here. Always set your stop losses. I say that every single day. Always set your stop loss. Always have a minimum or maximum amount that you are willing to lose. And use 1 to 2% of your account. Jesus. Treat it like a business, not like a gamble. Protect it so you can trade every day. Set yourself up so that you can start doing this full time. So you don't have to go to work and work for somebody anymore. And you do that by consistency, by setting stop losses, by using a smaller percent of your account, doing this every single day, catching good trades. You can catch good trades by learning to use these range bars here, by using the PSAR also that shows the direction of the market. And then I use the 20 and the 200 and the 50 EMA. Exponential moving average. That's what I use when I trade. All these are tools here are available on TradeXN, and then of course the range bars, my beautiful range bars there. Again, these move off points, not time. So each range bar is worth 15 points. When I do trades, it's usually 50 to 100 points. No, this is not margin or futures. What is... What am I looking for here? Is it that one? Is this one? Yeah, lost it. Anyway, yeah. That's not margin or futures. Oh, maybe it was in hers, yeah. This is called derivatives trading. It's derivatives. No, I'm in a trade right now. I'm trading gold right now. I'm in a long position. So what I'm looking at right now, when I was looking to get into this trade, I was looking at my 20 EMA. That's the line in white. The yellow, which is the 200, and then the red is 50. So I was looking to be above my 20 with an uptrend. And then I want to be crossing this 200, which we're getting really close to. So that was also telling me we're moving up. Plus we had 3 green bars here in a row. And then up top, I used the range bars. These range bars move off points, not time. And so what I was looking for is, you see this downtrend right here on the right. And I was looking for a green bar. That's letting me know that we are doing a reversal. So that's what you're looking to catch, is these reversals. And then you want to just make sure we're going the same trend. So like these dots, those are called PSAR indicator. And that was showing that we were going to go long as well. So that's why I jumped in saying that this is a long trend. Yeah, I'm in the red right now. Anytime you do open a trade though, you have a spread, right? So if you know what a spread is, you have the buyers and then the sellers. The in between is called the spread. And that's, so as soon as you open a trade, you're immediately in a loss. Depending on how much you basically bet into this, is how much that loss is going to be. So it could be anywhere from 10 cents to $50, depending on how much you're putting down. And so you're always going to pay that spread money always goes to the platform that you're on. I'm currently 46 cents in a loss right now. I only have a $180 account, and I'm only risking 1 to 2% of my account. And so I would trade a couple of dollars at a time. Yeah, it's not a lot. Just showing that guys can start trading with a small amount of money. It doesn't take a lot to learn on. And so that's what we're doing here. All right. So I moved up my stop loss, so I'm in profit right now. Yeah, pennies lost. It's easy to move this up. The whole point of this is showing how all of this works, right? That you can make profit, that you can practice with this with a live account. That it doesn't take thousands and thousands to start trading. That you can start small, start with real money, make capital, and then when you feel more comfortable with it, then you can move up. Then you can start doing hundreds or thousands of dollars at a time. But you got to be comfortable. So am I winning 10 out of, 15? How much am I doing, right? You want to have more wins than losses. You don't want to say, oh, I won 1 out of 10, right? You want 20 out of 10 or 10 out of 5 or whatever. Yeah, I know. I got knocked out. It would have been a nice one for sure. But I'm back in this one. I've already made my money back from that last one. So it's not even a big deal. I don't even care. Right? So small losses, bigger gains. So definitely not a big deal. And that's what it's all about. So if you think about it, that would have been, what if I would have had $100 on the line or $1,000 on the line? I would have got knocked out with just a tiny little bit, right? So, and I jumped right back in it. I'm way ahead of where I was. So I took a small loss. So what? But now I'm up. And I outbeat my other loss. I'm now in profit. This could be $800 right here or more. Right? 80 bucks, 800 bucks, depending on how much I risked, how much I have in my account. It's like right now I'm up a buck, right? So, and we're just going to keep trailing this right now. If I get knocked out, I don't really care. Which we're about to. I think I got a little bit too close again, but again, I'm in profit, so it's not a big deal. What's the percent win-loss right now? With using TradeX, yeah, I got knocked out. Using the TradeXN, it's 60 to 63% win rate. So let's see. If I just went off my trades in the last 24 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 losses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 wins. So it's close to break even, a little bit more than half. So I'm in profit up $68 for today. So yeah, it's just pennies, just doing small amounts, but it shows that you can still make money. Yeah. So as long as you win 50+%, absolutely. So when you're comfortable with doing this over and over and over, and you're always, if you have a higher win rate than loss, then you start upping your amounts, right? So then I go from 0.01 to 0.1, and then when I'm comfortable with that, I go to one lot size. So 0.01 is 50 cents. 0.1 is $1 to $10, and then 1 unit is like $50 a trade. So you just move it up as you go, right? But it's you don't want to throw money, lose money, leave money on the table, as they say. So once I'm in profit, I move that stop loss up. Some people have a different strategy with that, and they do 50-50 or 100-100, and they just leave it. And if it hits, or if it goes all the way back down, they'll hit it, then they lose. But to me, you were up. Why lose that? I would rather it be close and knock me out. I can always do another trade and then have it go up and make more money than to lose all the money I did potentially have on the table there. If you guys can, please hit that like button. It really does help my algorithm. If you could, guys, give me up over 1,000 real quick, that would be great. That is the minimum I try to go for every single day, just to help keep that flow moving, Thank you. Do appreciate that very much. If you guys are just new to my live, welcome. I'm always teaching risk management, using stop losses in your trading. In case the market goes against you, using 1 to 2% of your account. 5K, Jesus. So I really do preach that every single day. That's why I move my stop losses up as I go. I don't like leaving money on the table. And then I trade here on TradeXN. It has no fees and a low spread. It trades crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. And part of my trading strategy is using the range bars here up top. And these have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices as well. So there's always something to trade 24/7. This is derivatives trading. It's not futures or options. And if you guys do decide to check it out, please use the link in my bio. I really would appreciate that. Also, if you start trading on this, you'll have a link as well. So if you start sharing this, then you will get some profits from the links. So just another benefit of using it. Again, that's not why I use it. It's not my primary goal here. My primary goal is because it has no fees and a low spread. And then I have all the choices of crypto stocks, Forex, and indices. I've tried a lot of different brokers and they don't work, or they don't have all these options. The name of the site is TradeXN. The link is in my bio. If you open the link and it's gray, if it's whited out or gray, look in the top right corner. There should be 3 dots. Click on that, open it, and go to. You just have to open it up in a window or whatever. Thank you very much. And that will get you over to all the other links. So I think TikTok's having some kind of an issue or whatever. Man, I got knocked out again. That was still that would have been a really nice long trade if I would have just stayed back. Kept it too close. Again, the range bars are free as well. They don't cost anything. Those are in my bio as well. Now, if you guys want to learn how to use those, all those are over in the link, or over in my Discord, Future Capital Trading Discord. Just go on over to the Discord, and you will see all the training videos that I have available for you.
Trade up now, Dow
Jones. So if you come over here to the Discord, you can go to the training videos, and then you'll see I have all. That's not mine. These are mine. I have all these videos available on how to do all using TradeXN as well as using the range bars here as well. So definitely come check that out. What are we up to? 23. We're up to 30 members as of today in my Discord. It's pretty cool. Just started a week ago. Let's see. Someone said you want to see TradeXN. There's TradeXN. Bitcoin. Excuse me. Bitcoin's flatter than a pancake. So we're not trading Bitcoin right now. There's nothing to trade. 1 minute is moving, but I like trading on the 5-minute time frame. But it's definitely pretty flat at the moment. So yeah, slow bleed. That's why I was trading gold, which is still moving up really nice. It may even get one more jump up here. It's definitely, we're still coming up to the 20 and the 200, so this may continue up again. Let's see, what do my range bars say? So my range bars are still showing a uptrend as well. Yep. 0.01 on my account. That is 1.92% of 0.01 units. Any markets just open at 12 Central Time. I'm Pacific Standard Time, so I'm not sure. All the markets that I'm personally trading are open. Bitcoin is open. Gold is open. USJPY is open, and like US 30 is open as well. These do have a lot of others symbols as well. So we have FX, cryptos, commodities, indices, stocks. So stocks are closed right now. Indices. There's just it's a huge. Here. There's a huge list of what's open right now. So there's so many to choose from. Let's see. You got commodities. So there's some commodities that are open in different countries right now. Soybean, wheat is open. Oil is open. Gold, right? All the cryptos. Wow, they added a few. Solo, Sol USD's on here now. Link is in here. Dot's in here. ADA, AVE, BNB. Cryptos are all in here. Some of those I don't remember before. So as I said, there's a lot to choose from. Probably anything you feel like trading outside of a ton of cryptos is in here. So. What's US 30 doing right now? Let's see. It actually has a little bit of a pullback. That could possibly be a potential buy-in as well. Let's see if this what this does. This may end up trying to break up above. That's got a pretty wide spread right now because the market's slow. Yeah, I may wait on that. Spread's really big. Gold is still getting a little bit of a pullback here. I think it's actually going to end up continuing up here. Maybe. It might bounce off again. It bounced earlier. So we'll have to keep an eye on this. It is start to, well, yeah, it might just be, well, I spoke almost too soon. Well, we'll just see and see what it does, because right now, who knows. Hey, 9 Silent, what's going on? Thank you guys all for that, for getting those likes up. I did appreciate that very much. Thank you. RSI is starting to drop. Yeah, so we might end up heading back down. So I said the 20 and the 200 are so close that they may end up just bouncing off and then continuing to the downside here. So I'm going to sit there and watch that. Anytime it's that close, I don't like to trade it because I don't know what it's going to do. So a big spread and a small spread? I'll be popping in and out of the stream. Okay. So the spread is the distance between the buyers and the sellers. Sometimes you can get a really big spread like this one. What was this one the other day? I mean, I was on this thing. I was on that. I had to like jump all. Yeah, that's crazy. This one, when I jumped in it the other day, it was as big as like a day, as a day spread. So it was so big, it cost me like $50 just in the spread fee. I mean, it was gigantic. It was one. I don't know what was going on with it, but I never seen a spread so big. But that's like your spread, your spread difference between buyers and sellers. That's your spread. Some have smaller spreads like US 100. It's really little. I mean, this is the minute. Yeah, on 1 minute is really, really little. But if I go to EUR, 1 minute, you see how big it is? It's huge. It's way bigger. MACD still showing an uptrend. Yeah. Well, that's why I'm watching right now. Wow, I got a lot of these open. Hold on, I need to close some of these. That's when the market was way up there. I don't know why that one's not going. I try to avoid big spreads. Yeah, I do. Absolutely. Because you're just paying for that fee. That whole spread is it's not a fee, but it's what you end up paying basically to the broker for trading on here. And so the bigger the spread, man, the more you've got to pay before you'll ever go into profit. And it could be quite a ways. Let's just say EUR USD on a 1 minute. It's massive. I mean, that's a whole move, right? There's a whole move that you are in a loss. It's got to move that whole bar before you'll ever see anything. Hey, Rico, what's going on, man? So you want smaller spreads. Small spreads are good. So XAU for gold, that is, looks like it's starting to come back down, but it may just be a pullback, and then we'll continue up. Also, these do have a audio signal for the range bars as well. There's 70 plus indicators built into these, and these create the audio signal to let you know which way the market is going. You'll hear like BTC buy or BTC sell now, and it means to buy long or to buy short. So it's one of the other benefits of using these as part of my strategy. Trades are good today, Rico. It's been a good day. Yeah, I do short also, Papa Holder. On TradeXN, you can short the market. So you can go long or short. And it trades crypto stocks, Forex, and indices. There is no KYC verification on this. You just need your name and email. And then there's no PDT rule either, because it's an offshore broker. So I can trade more than 3 trades a day. Like I can do 10, 20 trades if I feel like it. That is one of the other benefits of it. And then if you do use this, you'll get a link to it. And then if you share this with anybody else and they use your link, then you get a profit from it. So if you guys decide to use TradeXN, please use my link. It does help me out. How do you know the exact amount that you'll have to pay? You see that as soon as you make a buy. Also, if you go to, here, I'll show over here. If you go to like create order, it shows the spread. Like right here, right now is 22 cents. As I up my volume level, up is my percentage, and up goes my spread. So if I go to say 0.1 units, then it's $2.20 for my spread. But I only trade 1 to 2% of my account. I don't want to over risk my account, so I keep it to 1 to 2. So I do in between on this 1.9 to 3%, no more than that. Yeah, it says that the 2200s I'm watching, it might break through. But I don't like buying this close. I need to break out, and then I'll jump in a buy maybe, but we'll see. If you guys could too, if you like, please, if you want to follow along, please hit the follow button, hit the bell. I do come on 1 to 2 times every single day as well. And if you want to check out my Discord, please do. We are up to 30 people as of today. It's a brand new Discord. I started it last week. I broke off from another Discord that had like 8,000 members and growing. I decided I wanted to start my own. If you want to check that out, please do. I do have a whole bunch of training videos on how to use the range bars, as well as using TradeXN. I talk about, I think, the spread, putting stop losses in, target prices in, how to put money on and off the account as well. So there's a lot of good information there. Also, I have, it's called Important Book and Ledgers. Where there's books that you can get, and then a ledger link, which I don't have in there just yet. I'm just getting permission for that. But if you do trade cryptos, it's a really important idea to put your money onto a ledger. You want to have the keys to the kingdom, as they call it. If you just have your money sitting on a broker and the broker disappears, so does all of your crypto. If you have the keys to it, then your money is safe. It's like a vault. You keep it in your drawer at home, and nobody else has access until you log in. So just one more benefit to have, again, for risk management of your funds. So I will have that up soon, and I'll let you guys know as soon as I do. But I do have books on psychology of trading and all that. So if you're brand new to trading, check that out as well. Again, all this stuff is over in the link in my bio to my Discord. Let's see, what's the 1 minute showing? So 1 minute is now underneath the 20 and heading down here. Yeah, we're getting that top tail bar there. So it looks like we're right now it's continuing down, but we'll see if it breaks back up. Yeah, that definitely looks like a flag right now, doesn't it? Yeah. Got the flag. Yep. That should be over one. There we go. There's our flag. So we'll see what it does here. So everything else is kind of dead. So I'm just kind of sticking with gold right now. Oh, there goes the green. Now if it'll continue up or not, we'll see. Milk 3 Wire, what's going on? Welcome to my live. I'm currently trading gold watching gold right now. Excuse me. Looking to see if we're going to continue an uptrend or if this is going to bounce off and continue down. I am trading on TradeXN. No fees, low spreads. If you guys were curious. Trades crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. Yep. Well, that's why I said that's why I waited. I didn't know what it was going to do, so that's why the 20 and 200 I always do pay attention to that because it could have easily bounced off just like it did back here. It did the same thing. It came up, pulled back, and then went up and it came back down again. So we're gonna see what this ends up doing here. So if we get back down and this arches down, gets back under that 20, then I'll continue a downtrend with it. But right now we're just going to see which way this decides to go. I am also using range bars here as part of my trading strategy. These move off points, not time. It's crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. Each one of these range bars is worth 15 points each, and I trade 50 to 100 points per trade. What you're looking for here is reversals. So you want to go from red to green or green to red. Really simplifies the market. And then you want to mix that with like the PSAR, which lets us know which way the market's going. Like it currently says we are going up. Range bars are showing that we're going up as well at the moment. But we'll see. So we'll see what this little flag here does. So 20 going to cross above the 200, or we're going to bounce off and go down. If you guys have any questions or need to learn more about doing trading and stuff, you can come over to the link in my bio. I do have a whole bunch of training videos there on how to use TradeXN, how to set it up, as well as using the range bars as well. Oh, hey, Aristocat, what's going on? Welcome to my live. What else is the PSAR used for? I just use it for the trend of the market. I mean, that's what I use it for. I don't know if it has any other uses other than that, but it just shows which way the market is going. So, as I said, right now it shows that we're going up because we had this uptrend here, but we've gotten a pullback. So this may continue up, but we'll see right now what it's going to do. We have a higher tail bars, 1, 2, 3 in a row, so it's probably going to continue pushing down. This will change that 20 EMA, and it'll continue down. So we'll see. It's kind of a waiting game right now. If y'all can, please hit the like button. It does help my algorithm. I do appreciate that greatly. If you're wondering what I am trading on, I'm trading on TradeXN. The link is in my bio for that. Trades crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. And it is offshore, so there's no PDT rule at all. You can trade as much as to your heart's content. And there is no KYC verifications either. It's just your name and email. And then to put money onto the account, I use crypto.com or coinbase.com. Crypto seems to be the fastest and the cheapest. And I use USDC to move my money across, and do the same thing to move it off. Hype Das, what's going on? Welcome to my live. Hey, 9 Silent, you're back. What's going on? Alright, let's see what else. Since we're waiting, we got USD JPY. That is under the 20. Oh, excuse me, I'm yawning. Gee whiz. What time is it? It's 9:30 at night. Pacific Standard Time. Oops, come on, work for me here. So that's a lower low. It's right where we're at right now. So it's sitting right like the support line right now. So maybe that'll bounce off and continue down, or it'll break through that and it will come up into the 20. eBurns 23, what is going on? Welcome to my live. Currently looking at USG JPY or gold right now, XAU USD. Look, we are breaking back up again, so we may end up continuing up here. So we're just coming right to this little bit of this higher high right now. We're going to see if we're going to break through it. We're getting some wicks, so it's pushing back again. We're going to see what this is doing. It's totally undecided right now. Hey, Jay Pickle. Cool, man. Welcome. I'm glad you figured it out. What were you doing wrong? I'd just love to hear what you solved. Yeah, it's testing that higher high right now. That's what I'm watching. I love when people figure out what was going on. I'm glad that the videos helped you. Or you just got into the Discord. Oh, okay. Right, you just got into the Discord. Cool. I understand now. I'm glad you got in there. Congratulations. Yeah, if you want to look at the videos, go for that. It'll definitely teach you how this stuff works. Again, if you have any issues, questions, please hit me up in the Discord. I will answer your questions. I'm in there a lot. I mean, it's my Discord, so constantly in there. And if you're looking for any informative type of reading as well on like trading psychology, I highly recommend the books that I have recommended. It says important books and ledgers. You can check those out as well. Oh, you're doing the mobile instead of the browser. Yeah, I don't know why it's having issues that you have to go into the browser, but whatever. But I'm glad it let you in there. Cool. The link is working weird. It highlights the link and you have to hit open link. Then it will accept the link. I have no idea. All I do is copy and paste it in from the Discord and put it into Linktree, and that's it. It's just something weird between all that, but I have found that it works. So, well, it looks like we broke out of the flag. Oh, from Mobile Link? Yeah, maybe that's why. Either way, I'm glad you guys are in there. Very exciting. Where are we at here? Where's my trade discussion? There we go. Let's let Lab Mode 2. What's going on? Welcome to my live. We're currently watching gold right now. See if it's going to break this higher high here. Get this out of the way. Let's see. We are right at the higher high on this other side as well. So, matter of fact, 1, 2, 3, double top, triple top. Yeah, we're pretty much in a triple top right now. W pattern. Well, yeah, W pattern. So this could easily continue up. But it does need to break this higher high. If it does, I'm going to jump back into this trade here. Maybe we'll see what it does. Come on. Don't be shy. Yeah, now it's going to push back. There's a lot of resistance right here. Matter of fact, see 1816.44. So I'm going to put it in an order for 1816.45. Alright, I got an order in case it does decide to take off and break through this. If it does, it's going to go up. So, let's see. Get a stop loss in here. Oops, went too far. Alright, so we got a stop loss in place just in case. Always put your stop losses in. Use risk management. Use 1 to 2% of your account. Is what I always advertise for you to do. Alright. And we got target price in place in case I got to step away from the computer. So I won't be on here a whole lot longer. Yeah, right, your EMA 20. Yeah, the 200, the 20 is right at the 200. That's why I'm waiting. I want to see if it's going to end up breaking out here. That's why I moved my stop loss up because we are right at the support line, resistance line. Sorry. Kiln 3M. What's going on? They said we'll see what this does for us. Where do I have this at? 22274. 227. Man, that's way up. That's way up there. I'm not gonna worry about that tonight. We're worried about gold right now. Target price. I put $2 for me. I did $1 down and $2 up, so 1 to 2 risk. And I could do it off just pointing off, just like 100 do 100 if I want, but I like going more off the risk of what I'm willing to lose, honestly. That actually puts us right under the last higher high over here. So it's beneficial really, because if it tries to push up to that line and doesn't quite make it, it's still going to hit my target price. Let's see. Because my buy-in price was 1816.45. My take profit was 1817.46. So NLST moved up big again today, up 78% this year, 50% in 3 days. Wow. Samsung in April. Up 50% in 3 days. That's crazy. Oh, looks like we're still pushing back down. Oh, 1, 2. I guess we didn't make it. It rejected it. I thought we were going to maybe break through that. I mean, maybe we still will, but we'll see. Yeah, I don't really trade NLST. Let's see. NLST net list. Yeah, OTC net list. Yeah, 2023, it's been screaming. It's coming up to a higher high there, though. Right now. Boom. So it's going to have resistance there. You're getting a cup formation on the 1 hour time frame. So, and it's got a lot of room to grow. That's for sure. Retesting that low. Also, cases against Google and Macron next after Samsung. Biggest infringement case ever. Yeah. Yeah, crazy. Let's see. So yeah, we're just bouncing back and forth here. That's why I got that buy stop in. And it may try to push back down again to this lower low here, 1813.91. What time is it? 10 more minutes, and then I'm gonna jump off, you guys. Again, if you are just on here, again, thanks for all the likes. I am trading on TradeXN. Has no fees, low spreads. Trades crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. There's a ton of stuff that you can trade on here. There's always something 24/7 to trade. That's why I definitely use it. It's been really beneficial to me. I've had no issues putting money on or taking it off. I've talked to the support team multiple times. I've never had any issues getting responses from them. They've always been very helpful answering any questions that I might have. I do have a bunch of training videos in my Discord on how to use TradeXN as well from stop losses, target prices, putting money on and off the account, setting trades, putting new charts in. All that stuff is in the link in my bio over at my Discord. You just go to find training videos and you will see those there. Then part of my trading strategy is I use the 20, the 200, and the 50 EMA, as well as the PSAR, which is the dots here on TradeXN. And then up top here are the range bars, the future capital trading range bars. They're in the link in my bio as well. These move off points and not time. What you're always looking for is a reversal on a trade. You want to go from red to green or green to red. Each one of these range bars is worth 15 points. I usually trade 50 to 100 points per trade. You have lots of gold stocks and silver and copper. That's very awesome. Glad to hear that for sure. The way the like U.S. market and stuff is going, I don't know where you're at, but yeah, definitely having gold and all that is very smart. That's great. Rico, you don't see any closing times on any of the time frames? No, there's no closing time on any of the time frames. As far as on the left here of all the different stuff you can trade, when they do close, it does say closed. You will see the market is closed. But right now, nothing is closed. Everything is currently open. At least all my favorites. I'm not going to say everything because some stuff might be closed, but everything I'm looking at right now are all open. Anyway, guys, yeah, if you're trying to learn more about doing trading, the psychology and that kind of stuff on it, I do have books over in my Discord. If you go over to the link that says important books and ledgers, that will have books in there that you can there's a link to that will get you over to Amazon, but they're really good books to read. And I have a whole bunch of free training videos as well in the Discord on how to use TradeXN and the range bars for sure. John, what's going on? Welcome to my live. Again, if you guys could, please hit that like button. It does help my algorithm out. I would appreciate that. I'm currently trading gold right now. Not trading, looking at gold right now. Trending sideways at a support resistance line right now. PSAR is still on the bottom, so it still is showing a uptrend, but it's going to have to break this higher high. I do already have a spot set just in case it does break out of here and continues up. Sexy Shadow, what's going on? Welcome to my live. Thank you for liking my live. I do appreciate that very much. And so we are currently watching gold right now, seeing if this is going to continue up. We are consolidating at the moment. I do have a buy stop in place in case this takes off. And then TradeXN does trade crypto stocks, Forex, and the indices. It has no fees and a low spread is why I use it. It is an offshore broker, so there's no PDT rule. And there's also no KYC verifications either. You just need your name and email to sign up. Same thing goes for the range bars. They're free. They're on a streaming server. All you need is name and email to sign up for them. They're just like TradingView. It's free to use. I do have the link for TradingView as well. That is also in the link in my bio. If you do use TradingView and you signed up for a subscription, if you use my link, it does help me with my subscription. So I would benefit if you decide to use TradingView as well. They've got all sorts of indicators on there as well that you can use. Sexy Shadow, yeah, absolutely welcome. I'm already sitting here watching a trade, so I might as well teach people why I'm doing it. I mean, it doesn't hurt any. I'm already sitting here, right? So why not talk to you guys? It gives me something to do, so I'm not sitting here bored. I'm just looking for some movement. So again, if you want to learn more, I have links in my bio for my Discord. I have all the videos on how to use trading TradeXN as well as the range bars. So please come check those out. I said our Discord is growing every single day. We are now at 31 as of today. So one more person joined in just a little while ago, so we are moving. It's a good group of guys so far. We're always helping each other out. I don't put up with bullying or scammers or any of that stuff. If I see them, I will kick them out of my room most hastily. So please come in, ask lots of questions. I like to answer them, and I'll get you an answer if I can for whatever it is. Mudis, I don't know how you say that. Trump 2024, what's going on? Caesar Suarez, what's up? All right, see about 5 more minutes here, and then I'm going to jump off no matter what this trade's doing here. That is the other benefit of putting stop losses and target prices in place. I can put in a trade and then I can leave. I don't have to sit here all night long. It's going to hit my stop loss or it's going to hit my target price. Either way, I'm going to end up closing my trade. But do I have to be here for it? No. I can go to bed. I can go eat. I can go do whatever I need to go do. Right. Hey, yeah, see you soon too there, JPK. Daddy, sir, what's going on? Welcome to my live. Just finishing out a possible trade here next 5 minutes. Then I'm going to jump off. It is almost 10 o'clock my time. My eyes are starting to tell me it's near bedtime. And then that in the market's just not doing a lot. Bitcoin's flatter than a pancake. Gold is consolidating, and USJPY, it's kind of gone flat too. It's trying to push down, it looks like. US 30 is doing okay. 1 minute time frame. 5 minutes flat. It's so dead right now, so. Carlos, asleep. Yeah, it's about to be asleep myself. That's it, but we are watching gold, but it's just consolidating, so. Cat Diddley Yard? Cat Diddley D. Oh, Cat Diddley D. Nice. Thanks for joining. Welcome to my live. So I'm currently watching gold right now, seeing if it's going to continue up. But it's just really consolidating at the moment. 20 and the 200 are really close together, so I've been keeping an eye on it. I already have a buy stop in place in case it does take off to the upside. Panjabu by USA, what's going on? So I'm currently trading on TradeXN. Has no fees, low spreads. Trades crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. And part of my trading strategy here on TradeXN is I use the PSAR, the 20, the 200, and the 50 EMA. I'm always looking for the 20 and the 200 to cross each other. It's called the golden cross. It's a great time to catch a trade. There's just not a lot of volatility right now, so it's not really moving. And then I use the range bars here up top. These move off points and not time. As crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. What you're always looking for is a reversal. This really quiets the market by just letting you look at these. You have your green and your red, so you're just trying to catch that reversal. So you're trying to match that up with the PSAR here. So like you're showing, you're climbing here. Green for gold, and then the PSAR is showing that up as well. So that's showing we're going in the same flow. That's exactly what you're looking for. What you want though is some more movement. Right now it's just dead. What? Alright guys, I'm going to jump off. My family keeps opening the door. I wonder what I'm doing, so I'm going to get out of here. Again, this isn't moving much, so hopefully I'll hit profit later on. Anyway, again, thanks for hitting the likes. Absolutely do appreciate that. I will be on again tomorrow morning. Should be on around 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time in the US here, so hopefully I'll catch you again soon. Please hit the bell in the follow so you can know when I do come on again, and we can continue our wonderful conversations. So again, I will see you all soon, hopefully tomorrow. So y'all have a good night, good trades, and a great week. And I'll see you all on the flip side.